Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and quick experience of the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So yes friends, finally I did receive from the Amazon website. So let me do the quick unboxing and experience of this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. And we'd like to see how is the overall box experience and unboxing content in this tab. So this is the overall Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet, as you can see guys, which I did receive. And finally, let's do the unboxing of the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So this is a 8GB and 128GB version, which I did order, as you can see, and graphite gray color. So let me quickly unbox this. And this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet, which has got a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor, so which is definitely powerful chipset when you compare with the previous Xiaomi Pad 7. So let's do the quick unboxing experience. So here's the first look of the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. The tablet feels really very lightweight. I can definitely say that. Let me open the tab. So these are the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. Gonna look like, as you can see guys. So which looks really very slim. I can definitely feel that difference. Very slim and not that heavy as well, very lightweight. And in the box, let's find out what are the other things you need to get in this device along with the tablet. And this comes with the charging adapter as well, which is of 67 watts charger, which is included in the box, and the cable is also included. USB to Type-C cable, which is included in the box. So apart from that, nothing is included guys, since this tab doesn't come with any kind of expandable storage. There is no other SIM pin or any kind of pin is needed in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. Now let me put this tab aside. And let's switch on the tablet for the first time. So this is my first time booting up the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet as well. And let's see initial setup process, how it's gonna be there and how much battery is there in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. All of these details we'll try to discuss in this video. And this is a 8GB and 128GB and 9200 mAh of battery capacity. This tablet did come with. And 11-inch of tab size and 3.2K resolution. And these are the interface for the setup process going to look in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So let's set the language and the region India. Accept terms and conditions. Skip. I'll try to connect the Wi-Fi later. So there is no fingerprint unlock option. There is only face lock and the screen lock is available. And let me to clear everything. I don't want all of this experience. Yeah, default is good. And the charging capacity is 65%, which came along with the tab. So right now this is my first time booting up the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So right now it's preparing. And this is the initial setup process which has been involved in this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So overall the display looks really very good. Let's go to the settings option and show you exact what is the software version the tablet is running at. Let me to show you about tablet. And the tablet comes with Android 16 and security patch update is still 2025 October month. As you can see, October month security patch still it's going on in this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet, but which did come with the Android 16 out of the box. That's kind of pretty good thing. And these are the couple of applications. Let me to show you what are the applications got booted or loaded here. So nothing much major applications are there. Pre-install all the Google applications and basic tablet applications are there. Apart from that, we did see LinkedIn, WPS Office, Gemini, and then Netflix and Spotify. So these are the few applications which came by default, but overall the tab feels really very good and very lightweight. It's not that heavy, I would say. For the 11-inch tab, it's pretty decent and compact size for the tablet. And I'm going to test regarding the performance and everything, all the details. So stay tuned for the videos guys. I'll definitely upload the videos as soon as possible regarding the performance, how smooth it is and everything. And the tablet comes with the 144Hz refresh rate display. And refresh rate, I'll try to set to the custom refresh rate of 144 Hz. but the smooth and better experience you'll definitely get that in this tab. So meanwhile, signing off friends, this is a quick unboxing experience, initial review about the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. I'll be back again with the plenty of information on this tab regarding the performance and a lot of details. Until then, stay tuned and bye.